The project was an upgrade to an existing 4.8 kilometers of the Trans-Canada Highway through an incredibly complex part of the canyon. Due to the incredibly complex alignment and really tight right-of-way, a lot of these structures had to be curved elements with long spans and very unique super elevation and alignment constraints, which steel really lended itself to.
There are significant, geotechnical risks, also avalanche risk. That's really, set the project different from others. We, overcome many challenges and are able to design an efficient structure system suitable for the site to provide the project's safe and reliable transportation for general public for years to come.
And really the collaboration was built on trust between all parties to allow us to all focus on the end goal and build a very successful project.
We're building a pedestrian overpass that crosses Highway 1 made out of weathering steel.
The design is so that basically the steel will develop a patina, a thin coating of rust, and then it will not degrade any further than that.
So over time, it will grow this patina and it will be beautiful.
If you break it down, there's essentially a large bridge deck, and then there's a bunch of arches that support it.
It's got a lot of unique complexities that had to be taken into account in the way that we manufactured the steel and it was put together.
We did all the fabrication here in the shop. We fabricated it in big assemblies, trucked them to site, and then put them together there to ensure that when it fit on site in the final resting location, everything was perfect, and it turned out really well.
It's a great piece for the city of Burnaby, and you drive by it every day. So each time you look at it, it's very nice to see, and I'm proud to be part of it.
The Site C Clean Energy Project included the construction of the dam. Behind the dam there's a reservoir, and approximately 30 kilometers of Highway 29 needed to be relocated. And with that included the replacement bridges at all the tributaries. The highway designers will dictate how the bridge profile is based on the roadway geometry. And we have to fit it using steel and concrete, and that can be challenging at times. But when you go to the sites and you look along the girders, the cambers of the girders are bang on, exactly where they should be. And when you drive on the bridge decks, they're very smooth. We also had to design for some unique circumstances. The Site C project required a consideration for a landslide generated wave. There was some extensive modeling done to determine the height and velocity and pressures of waves impacting on the structures. We were building bridges over water, but before the water arrived. And so we had the opportunity to design the structures to be basically constructed out of the water. I felt like there was a lot of collaboration all through both the kind of design phase as well as construction. We all look back on it fondly now.